Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field of computer science that aims to create systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. At its core, AI works by processing vast amounts of data through complex algorithms to identify patterns, make predictions, and generate outputs. To better understand AI, we can use the analogy of an ecosystem. We tend to speak of AI as if it is a single science or technology, but it is much more like an ecosystem made up of many different species working together. AI encompasses multiple algorithms and models, many of them very specialized. Like an ecosystem, AI systems evolve and improve over time as they consume more data, similar to how species adapt to their environment. And just as plants and animals require nutrients, AI systems need data to grow and function effectively. So the more data you make available, the more the AI ecosystem can evolve or learn. But just like a child, if we give it the wrong data, or data which is biased in some way, then it will start to reflect that bias in its outputs. At the heart of many AI systems are what are called neural networks, which are inspired by the structure of the human brain. These networks consist of interconnected nodes that process and transmit information, analyzing data across many layers to derive meaning and make decisions. Some key characteristics of AI learning are algorithms that enable AI to learn from data without specific programming. By examining data, the algorithm can detect where patterns exist. Then it maps all of the data points which have the same patterns. So for example, the AI might look at thousands or millions of faces and identify those which have a beard, glasses, and a hat, and map them into clusters. This is, of course, a huge oversimplification, but you get the point. So the purpose of AI systems is to be able to look at massive sets of data and try to extract insights and relationships without being specifically programmed to look for beards, hats, and glasses. The AI uses pattern recognition to identify intricate patterns within the data. Phew, I hope that makes sense. But while analogies can be helpful in explaining AI concepts, their misuse can create misconceptions. For example, the brain analogy may lead people to believe AI thinks and learns exactly like humans, when in reality, AI systems make statistical associations without understanding meaning or cause and effect. Comparing AI to autonomous beings can create the false impression that AI systems can make truly independent decisions, when most AI systems are highly specialized and lack true autonomy. The AI as a child analogy oversimplifies the complex nature of AI development, suggesting we can produce moral AIs by treating them well or copying good human parenting strategies. So in many ways, AI is a little like Sheldon from the Big Bang Theory. Within the realm of physics, he is a genius and is able to seeing patterns that normal humans can't. But in the real world, he also lacks basic emotional intelligence to interpreting human emotion, which can be very limiting, often misinterpreting the data with comical effect. Bazinga!